Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you all know, in this channel we discuss everything that has to do with paid surveys. We also discuss everything that has to do with making money online just by using your phone. Okay. All right. So in today's class, I want to discuss about how to get foreign numbers. Okay, places to get foreign numbers. I'll be talking about a few apps where you can get foreign numbers for verification. It could be for WhatsApp verification, meaning you want to use the number to create a WhatsApp account, or you want to use the number to verify any of your survey accounts, or you want to use the number to get what's it called, to get codes from sites, international sites, brands, or you want to use the number for calls, online calls, international calls, where you can call someone from another country using that number. Okay, so without wasting much time, sorry about that, without wasting much time, I'll just go straight to the point. So I'll go to my Play Store, and from my Play Store I'll just be showing you guys the apps you can download, or the apps that I recommend that you can use to get your foreign numbers from. Okay, all right, so I go to my search, I click on search, and so the first platform rather on my list, the first platform, sorry, on my list is called Fantel. Okay, it's called Fantel. All right, click on Fantel, then I click on search, and this is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like for this um app, or for this platform. You get UK number, you can get US number, you can get Australia number and Canadian number. Okay, so you can get all these numbers, all these country numbers from this site, and you can use them for any verification you want. Me personally, I use this site a lot. This is the site, or the platform I use a lot when it comes to online verification. Okay, they are good. Yeah, i'll rate them I'll rate them a 9 over 10. They are good. Okay, they're very good. So you can do well to check them out. You can deposit your money using crypto, you can deposit using gift cards, or you can deposit using your normal ATM cards. Okay, so this is how this platform works. When you deposit, and then you just choose the number you want to buy, and then you can get it easily. All right, so that's that on my list. Okay, the second platform on my list is called Zeyi. So Zeyi, then I click on search, and this is it, guys. This is it, Zeyi. Okay, let me show you guys. Right, show you guys real quick how it looks like. um this is it. This is it, guys. Zeyi, right? That's it there, Zeyi. They are relatively almost the same price with the first platform, which is Fantel, that I talked about earlier. So you can also check them out. You can use their number for verifications. Mostly Zeyi numbers are for verifications. For international calls and all, I am not too sure, but for verifications, yeah, they are good. You can use them to create your PayPal accounts and all that and all that. I forgot to mention about PayPal. Even the first platform I mentioned, which is Fantel, you can use it for your PayPal accounts. Use it to while trying to create an international PayPal account. Okay, so that's that about that. You can use them for any site verification. WhatsApp, if you want to create international WhatsApp accounts, you can use them as well. So that's that about this platform. They are also good. I'll rate them 8 over 10. 8 over 10, yes. Okay, so I would quickly go to the next uh app that I think is good, or that I think is best. I recommend, and the name of the app is called OnPhone. Right, OnPhone. When you search for OnPhone, on your Play Store, you should have this. Okay, you should have this. So this is what it looks like. This is it, and this is how it looks like. You can use it for verification. As you can see, they say business visual numbers. You can use it for many verifications. As you can see, there are different countries, right? You can have different countries phone number. You can use them for most of the verifications you want to do online. You can use OnPhone. They are very good, and I think their numbers are relatively cheap compared to the other tools I've mentioned. So their numbers are good. So you can check them out on phone. They are also a good platform. Now, another platform I would want us to look on that I have used personally, most especially last year, to make international calls is called Numero. It's called Numero, right? So when I search Numero and I type it, I click on search, and voila, this is what it looks like, guys. This is what Numero looks like. Okay, as you can see here, Numero. This is the app. You can just install it if you want it. This app is good for phone calls. Like, they are very clear when it comes to phone calls. I have used them, so I am testifying that they have one of the best services when it comes to having an international call. Uh, so you can check them out. They are also used for verifications. WhatsApp. I think paper verification too works. Uh, you can use them for your survey sites verification. Some of the sites that would ask you for numbers, you can try to use Numero. Okay, so these are the apps that I recommend when trying to what's it called, when trying to get numbers for verification, any site verification. You can try them out. Okay, none of them are actually 100% guarantee. Okay, none of them are 100. This is a disclaimer. None of these are 100% guarantee that okay you would get what you want, but based off my past experience and how I have used them, most of these apps that I have mentioned here are likely to give you what you need, what you want. Okay, all right, so let me just give us a bonus for all of us that probably don't have money to get uh premium numbers, that is paid numbers. Okay, so for this one now, I'll be dropping this particular app that gives out number for free to the general public. So you won't be the only person to use this number. Okay, so put that at the back of your mind. You won't be the only person to use this number. You and other people would have access to this number depending on who uses the number first for a particular verification. I think that's how they work. Depending on who uses the number first for a particular verification, and that's it. The number wouldn't be used again for that site or that verification. Okay, so I will just search the app real quick. Now let me search the app. So the name of the app is called Temp Number. Okay, the name of the app is called Temp Number. So when I search Temp Number, I click on search. All right, guys, as you can see, uh we have lots of temp numbers here. Now all these sites, all these are apps here. Let me show you guys right quickly what I mean. All these apps, like these and these, they are temporary numbers, meaning what they do is they give you numbers for free. You can have access to different countries number here for free, be it US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, uh just different numbers here you can get for free. Okay, but they're temporary numbers that they don't last, like they tend to expire. Even the numbers you buy from the other apps that I have mentioned, they expire. So they are numbers that you would have to what's it called, renew monthly. It's not a one-time purchase. Okay, it's not a one-time purchase. You have to renew them. You have to renew them monthly. But these temporary numbers here, These are numbers that expires after a given time. Okay, these are numbers that expire after a given time. So if you don't have money to buy from the apps that I have mentioned earlier, you can just check on any of these apps and then try to verify whatsoever it is you want to do, and hopefully you might get a number that might just work for you from any of these apps. Okay, all right. So like I said, these apps, they do, these numbers, they do expire and they are temporary. That's why it's called temporary, because they expire. Okay, they're not permanent and you're not the only one using them. So tread with caution, and so you don't lose your accounts. And even if you do certain things with this number, you would want to use maybe an extra layer of security just in case. Okay, maybe a two-factor authentication or anything it is you want to do that can actually protect your account after using such numbers, so you don't lose your account. All right, guys, I hope I have been able to install some knowledge in you today. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, you can try any of this out and tell me what it is that you think. I'll drop the link to my WhatsApp community on the comment section of this video. So if you want to join my WhatsApp community where we discuss everything about paid surveys and how to answer surveys, you can check on the comment of this video. All right, and you'll see my WhatsApp community link. Just click on it and you'll join. If you want to talk to me in person, you can just, when you join, you can just search for the admins and you are going to see me. All right, so thank you very much, and please do well to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on your post notifications so on my next video you wouldn't miss out. Okay, thank you very much and see you on the next one. Bye bye.